Alright, what's going on everybody? I'm back with yet another video, and hopefully this one will be really helpful for those of you who purchased the LG Wing recently, as that has a dual display and the software in general has some neat tricks up its sleeve. So what are you waiting for? Let's have a look at some of these neat tricks that will surely help you out to make the most of this device. Before moving further, a tap on that subscribe button will really help the channel out. It's free, try it out. Now starting off with the first one. Do you know this device has a neat one-handed mode that you can enable in settings and just use this device easily with a single hand. To activate that, just go to settings. Now here go to display and in here enable this one-handed screen option. And now just make sure you are using the gesture based navigation. Just swipe from left to right or right to left and hold it to the center of the screen. And there you go. The display comes down for you and now you can easily do your task, and if you're done with it, well, the screen just goes back to normal after a few seconds automatically. Or you can just tap on this empty area on the top and you are back. And this one-handed mode will adjust wherever you use this gesture on your screen. So for example, if I swipe and hold to center on the topmost portion, it will adjust accordingly, which is really smart. Another setting that will help you out is this extra brightness toggle, which will increase the maximum brightness by a little margin, so the display gets somewhat more visible outdoors, and that will help when you will go out in the real world. Now coming to the next part, customization. So you can choose between many given themes in here as per what you like, and it even gives a couple of icon packs to choose from. But that's not all. My favorite here is this AOD customization. So you can choose whichever you like and just tap on that. Now it will ask you to turn on the always on display. So just tap on turn on and customize the AOD with a theme, sticker or even an image from your gallery. And while we are on the lock screen part, well, did you know this device supports stylus too, just like the S Pen on Samsung phones. And while I don't have a pen with me, I use this option to take notes directly on the lock screen, as it feels really convenient overall. Another feature that I use is this side light and bubble feature. So how this one works is, first of all go to settings, now go to notifications and choose this brief notifications option in here. Enable the bubble and side light feature and choose the applications for which you want to see this notification. So I'm going to choose messaging apps only, and after choosing the applications, just lock the display, and whenever you will get a notification from that particular app, the display will light up with this cool effect. And also lets you know which app sent that notification. And it looks awesome, to be honest. Definitely one of my favorite features till now. And in case you are wondering, well, I customize the fingerprint animation too. Just go to settings, now go to lock screen and security, choose fingerprints option and click on this icon effect. Now choose whichever one you like. I find all three to be really great. Now the next feature is content lock, and basically it is a secret gallery for all your images and videos. And you can find this option under lock screen and security in settings. Now choose content lock option, and after that choose a pin or pattern, whichever one you like. And you can even enable fingerprint scanner to unlock data in your gallery and memo application. After this, all you have to do is go to the gallery application, choose whichever files you wish to hide and done. You can find your files under this show locked files option in gallery. One more helpful feature is in this extensions option, and here you have the smart doctor application that has some neat tricks up its sleeve. So you can test your device in case of some issues, diagnose any problems, and choose the type of battery saver that you feel like using to save most of your battery in case you want to. And you can even test your sensors and other hardware too with this option. So that's great. So a lot of helpful features to choose from, including this increased touch sensitivity option that makes your screen a little more sensitive. So that will really help you out in case you're using a screen protector. Coming to the second display now, and you can use this and customize it in a lot of ways. Let me tell you some of them. Well, first one is the multi-app shortcut, and what this will do is open two apps at once on both your screens with a single tap. Just choose two applications that you wish to open automatically from that shortcut. And along with that, you can also choose the swipe effect while opening and closing the screen, which looks kind of cool. You can use this dual display with games like Asphalt 9 to see map on one display and the game on the bottom one. And similarly, there are many number of options to choose from. This dual display makes multitasking a whole lot easier, but try not to use it that much. Oh, and some of you are asking about what applications you can run on that second screen. Well, you can run almost anything and everything. And here is how you can control that. So simply go to display options in settings, and before that just swivel your second display out. Now choose second screen from the list, and here you get the options to sync brightness on both the displays, and you can even adjust the brightness on each individual display. Now just below that you have this second screen apps option. So just tap on that and choose whichever apps you wish to run on that second display. You can run games to WhatsApp and whatnot. And if you don't want to, then you can just show the notifications on it directly. Just turn on this swivel to view notifications and all the notifications will come on that second display now. Cool, isn't it? Next up we have the ringtone ID feature, and this one is also a new feature as it creates a unique ringtone for each call based on the number, and you can find this option in the sound option under settings. And now choose if you wish to have it on for all calls or some calls only. So from now the device will generate new ringtones and patterns automatically. So just in case you are into boring ringtones, this one is cool. By the way, you can also get the option to set the effects on flash as per the ringtone, and you can find this option just below it. Last one for now is this backup option in system. So this one is also really helpful and something missing from other devices. So you can choose backup and restore option, and you can backup everything and anything from all the applications to data and even your launcher settings too, which is really helpful. Plus you even get an auto backup option to get it done automatically, which is helpful many a times. So that's it for now. These are some of the tips and tricks that you can use with this LG UX on the LG Wing. And if you want more videos like this one, make sure you comment down below. And if you end up liking this, press that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one.